Quality service for your vehicle is important. Where have you been? Your service business is important to us, and we want you back. According to our records, you're past due for service, and we've got an exclusive personalized service offer just for you. Don't trust your vehicle to just anyone. Servicing at our dealership provides benefits you won't find at mom-and-pop service shops, like factory-trained service specialists, genuine factory parts, state-of-the-art facilities and equipment, and no-cost warranty service. Click here and claim your exclusive personalized offer now.